Questions number 9 and 10. Here we already have mixed radicals, but we want to simplify them as much as possible. So I'm going to start again by making a factor tree for 98. I can divide 98 by 2 since it's an even number. 98 divided by 2 is 49. 49 I can only divide by 7. And 49 divided by 7 is 7. Great. Okay, so we have 2 times the square root of 98. Let me fix that square root. And we have 2 times 7 times 7. And we can only take out numbers from within the square root in pairs. So we have 7 times 7. So I can rewrite this as 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 7 times 7. And 7 times 7 is 49. So we have 2 times the square root of 2. And the square root of 49, of course, is just 7. Because 7 times 7 is 49. So we end up with 2 times the square root of 2 times 7. Now we can multiply these two numbers that are outside of the square root. 2 times 7 is 14. So we can rewrite everything as just 14 times the square root of 2. And that's it. That's as far as we can simplify this. Fantastic. How about question 10? Negative 3 times the square root of 150. Let's make a factor tree for 150. 150, I can divide this by 2. We get 75. I can no longer divide 75 by 2 because that's not an even number. But I can divide 75 by 3. 75 divided by 3 is 25. 25 can be divided by 5. And we just get 5. Fantastic. Draw a line here. So we have negative 3 times the square root of 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. Now, of course, we can only take out the 5's as a pair. The 2 and the 3 are going to be stuck inside the square root. And 2 times 3 is just 6. So we have negative 3 times the square root of 6 times the square root of 5 times 5 is 25. And the square root of 25, of course, is just 5. By the way, I'm just taking it slow so that everyone can understand these. You are allowed to skip some steps as long as you don't make any mistakes. So the square root of 25 is just 5. And negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So we have negative 15 times the square root of 6. And why did I multiply these? Because we can only multiply and expand the numbers outside of the square root. So negative 3 times 5, negative 15 times root 6, and that's as far as we can go, simplifying this mixed radical. That's it.